Hi there. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to speak about an interesting topic in the industry. Keep watching. Unbelievable things you never know about what digital marketing means. Digital marketing is an umbrella term used to describe the marketing of products or services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet, but also including mobile phones, display advertising, and any other digital medium. Digital marketing's development since the 1990s and 2000s has changed how brands and businesses use technology for marketing. Digital marketing campaigns are becoming more prevalent and efficient as digital platforms are increasingly incorporated into marketing plans and everyday life, and people use digital devices instead of visiting physical shops. Understanding what digital marketing means. Digital marketing is an umbrella term that refers to online internet and offline traditional marketing. Digital marketing includes any marketing activity that uses electronic devices or tools, like smartphones, tablets, or computers. It also has traditional marketing, such as direct marketing, mobile marketing, television marketing, email marketing, and social media marketing. Digital marketing is one of the fastest growing marketing areas. As a result, the number of internet users is growing exponentially, with projections suggesting that by 2020, around 4.1 billion people will have internet access. The importance of digital marketing for businesses. Digital marketing is the future of marketing. Many small businesses today are turning to digital marketing instead of traditional marketing. However, companies should recognize that digital marketing takes time and patience. Digital marketing is the future of marketing. Many small businesses today are turning to digital marketing instead of traditional marketing. However, companies should recognize that digital marketing takes time and patience. When a business markets with the traditional approach, print ads, TV ads, they pay for space, time, and human resources. This approach is costly. However, when business markets with digital marketing, it can skip paying for their space or time. Instead, local businesses can promote their brand or product through online videos, blogs, Facebook, and company websites. There is no limit to the amount of content these businesses can post online, and they can use SEO to reach more people through their content. Companies that market with the traditional approach is not as effective as those with the digital marketing approach. This is because digital marketing is less costly and reaches a broader audience. Choosing the most effective digital marketing strategy. When it comes to digital marketing, there are a variety of strategies that you can use. The most effective method depends on the goals that you want to achieve. Here are some tips for choosing the most effective digital marketing strategy for your business. 1. Define your business goals before starting any digital marketing campaign. You must first determine your business goals. For example, what do you want your online presence to achieve? Do you want to increase website traffic, create more leads, or build a loyal customer base? Once you clearly understand your goals, you can tailor your marketing strategy accordingly. 2. Assess your current website. An excellent way to assess your existing website is by looking at the analytics data. This data will tell you how many people are visiting your website, what pages are being clicked on, and how much time people are spending on your website. This information can help you to target your marketing campaigns better and measure the success of your efforts. 3. Evaluate your current digital marketing strategy. Once you have a general understanding of your goals, it's time to evaluate your current digital marketing strategy. For example, do you have a website optimized for search engines? Do you have a marketing plan that's been executed correctly? Once you understand your current situation, it's time to make changes and improve your results. 4. Choose the best digital marketing strategy for your business. Once you clearly understand your goals, the next step is to choose the best digital marketing strategy for your business. There are a variety of techniques that you can use, and the most effective method will depend on the goals that you want to achieve. Do some research and choose the strategy that best suits your needs. How to grow with digital marketing? Digital marketing is growing at a rapid rate. As the world becomes more connected and the internet becomes more accessible, more and more people are going online. Many people are looking to buy and sell products, find services they need, or learn about new technologies. But how can you get your brand noticed? How can you get your business growing? The answer to that question lies in digital marketing. Digital marketing is about attracting new customers to your business with the internet. But you need to understand how digital marketing works. So here's a breakdown of some digital marketing basics. Branding. Branding is not just limited to businesses. Businesses use branding to establish their image and to help customers associate their brand with a specific image. However, branding is not limited only to businesses. Individuals also use branding to establish an identity for themselves. For example, consider a fashion blog. The blog uses branding to define the blog's image and to help readers associate the brand with a specific image. SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is a digital marketing technique that improves your website's ranking. For example, when someone types in Ferrari, the search engine will return a list of sites matching that search term. The better your site's SEO, the higher your ranking will be. For example, if your site appears more elevated than your competitors, you'll likely gain new customers. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is another digital marketing technique. It involves using social media platforms like Facebook to market your products and services. For example, if you want to sell baseball bats, you can create a Facebook page for your product. Then you can post information about the various features, benefits, and prices of the bat on your page, encouraging people to follow your page to learn more. Pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click advertising involves paying a fee each time your ad is clicked on. People who click on your ad will be taken to a website where they learn about your business. For example, if you pay $0.50 every time someone clicks on your ad and 100 people click on your ad, you'll end up paying $50. Why your business needs digital marketing? Digital marketing is promoting and selling products or services via one or more forms of electronic media. Many assume that all marketing and advertising are digital, but this is different. Some forms of advertising, such as billboard advertisements, are analog, not digital. Some people also mistakenly believe that digital advertising is limited to the internet. However, many digital marketing methods can be used with traditional advertising, such as television and radio ads. In addition, digital marketing includes a variety of techniques, such as website optimization, search engine marketing, content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and display advertising. These techniques are used to attract, engage, and convert customers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you found this video is informative, follow me for more videos. Thank you.